Hello everyone. Let's take a look at the work you'll be doing in Module 2. This week we start talking about illustration in children's literature, specifically picture books, which will be the topic of your first essay. This week's readings, Chapters 4 and Chapters 5 from Essentials of Children's Literature, and then take a look at this supplementary material that I've posted, mostly about visual analysis. There's also an example of a picture book analysis for Where the Wild Things Are. This is often considered the model children's picture book. It's a great example, but don't use it as your topic for the analysis since so much has been written about it. Then go ahead and post your discussion board topic. Remember to respond to 2 peers. And then we have the quiz. The quiz will cover the introductory material from chapters 1 through 3 of Essentials of Children's Literature. And remember, you can take the quiz as many times as you want before the due date, so it's totally possible to get 100%. That's all for turning in work this week, but keep your eye on the prompt for Essay 1 and the topic selection as the due date is approaching. Have a great week.